Sam brought her 2017 Honda CR-V to us after another repair facility couldn't find the problem and something clearly wasn't right. The dashboard was lighting up with warning lights. The engine was misfiring. And under load, the vehicle could barely get past 45 miles per hour. What made it more difficult was that the symptoms didn't show up right away. They only appeared after about 30 miles of driving, which made the issue harder to duplicate and easier to miss. When multiple systems on a modern vehicle start warning you at the same time, it usually doesn't mean everything is failing at once. It means one underlying issue is affecting multiple systems. During our diagnostic testing process, we confirmed multiple misfires and abnormal engine data. Clearing the codes didn't solve the problem. They came right back. That told us this wasn't a glitch or a one-time event, but an active issue the vehicle was trying to protect itself from. Our factory-certified technicians followed Honda's diagnostic procedures step by step. Using factory guidance and technical service information, we tested and verified each possibility instead of guessing. Once the root cause was identified, the necessary repairs were completed to restore proper engine operation. After the repair, the warning lights cleared, power was restored, and drivability returned to normal. The CR-V was no longer limiting itself and could be driven confidently again. This is why diagnostics matter. On today's vehicles, a single problem can trigger multiple warning systems and make it feel like everything is going wrong at once, when in reality the car is asking for proper testing and accurate diagnosis. When your vehicle needs proper diagnosis, trust the factory-certified technicians at ABC Auto Repair. We follow manufacturer procedures to solve problems other shops miss.